So I'm going to show you how to make my citrus canned chicken. The first thing I want to do is show you how to make the actual syrup and the glaze that goes on top. So inside, I've got a lemon lime or a lime malt liquor beverage in the can. If you can't find lemon lime, do the orange, do the whatever kind of citrus the fruit they have. And then you can add like some orange juice instead of the lemon juice that I'm adding now. You can also add lime juice. In addition, some thyme from my garden. I'm going to add in some Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of salt and pepper, lemon zest, and some honey. Now, let me get some lemon juice into the game plan. And this is going to be what we brush on the chicken every 20 minutes while it cooks or so. Just stir that up, and you're going to let it reduce down to like a syrupy consistency. It's not going to be like a thick glaze. It should be able to run and drip all around your chicken. Now, listen, if you don't have fresh thyme and you really love rosemary, drop that in there. That'd be a lot of fun as well. But I feel like thyme is my place that I go to. All right, so we've got our bird here. Nice, normal roast in size, 6-7 pounds. I'm going to rub this. Now, it's very dry, all right? I dried this like crazy with paper towels. And then just salt and pepper all over. Rub that in. You've got a seasoning blend that's not going to get in the way of your malt liquor flavor, whether it's lime or orange. Go ahead and do that. All right, now here comes the can. Remember, I poured some of this out to start making that syrup. Got a little bit of aluminum foil on it right there. Clean off the can, obviously. I'm going to put it in there through the back end. I'm going to get this onto my grill. It's at about 325 degrees. This is the side of the grill that I have the heat turned on. So I'm going to put it over here on the indirect side. All right. Let's see. Just closing. All right, I'm going to wash my hands every 20 minutes or so. I'm going to get in there, hit it with the syrup. And this cooks for about an hour, 15 minutes, depending on the size of your bird. And when it's time to carve, I'm going to get it off of the grill, tent it for about 10, 15 minutes, and start eating. And now the chicken has rested under its tent of aluminum foil, and I'm ready to carve it. Get this baby right here onto my cutting board. I really love cooking with beer. This is malt liquor today, but you've seen me do it on the kitchen before. I love it. I can already tell just from feeling it. Nice and juicy and tender. But look at this bird. Just going to get in here and go into this baby. I got to tell you, cooking with beer or, even if it's like some malt liquor in a can, it's deliciousness. And, who doesn't love a beer in the summertime? Look at how juicy that is. It's all in the resting. You got to rest that chicken. Get those pieces onto a plate. Now, normally I would just eat this with my fingers, but I know GZ's watching, so. Big old piece. First of all, so juicy. And that flavor is not super in your face, so don't worry about it. It's not like you're going to be eating a drunken chicken. It's just a really nice way to get that caramelization on the outside from the sugars. And if you're just using beer, still the same results with that tender, juicy chicken on the inside. This is delicious.